Got on the shorts. Oof, this is not where it's at right now. Like, no, man. What it do? You know? Okay. So, see that title of this video. I'm gonna do a co-wash curly hair routine for the wintertime. It's pretty much my wintertime curly hair routine. So yeah, it was kind of requested, like 50%. Okay, if you look at my Instagram, posted something in my story. It's like curly hair routine or attempt to straighten my hair. 50% was straight, 50% was curly, so I guess I'm doing both. So I'm gonna walk y'all through what I use. So yeah, number one, paddle brush. Always keep one on you. If you don't got one, get you a Denman brush. You don't got one of those, get you a comb. You know? So yeah, got me a nice little ponytail holder. I use OGX Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. I use this stuff. It's pronounced Win. Pomegranate conditioning. Cleansing conditioner. I have a shirt to dry my hair off and a shirt that I'm going to change into to wash my hair. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to start with changing my shirt. So, okay, so got that all done. So I'm just going to place everything that I need inside of my shower. I'm tired of every time I walk, I feel my butt jiggle, like, so got this because I section my hair off and I usually do it down the middle, but yeah, we're gonna do it. Place this. It hurts. How'd y'all like hurt though? Okay, it doesn't have to be either, but you know.
Got dressed, you know.
So, I don't use
the shorts. I use
the
jacket.
because
Y'all, I cut these shorts
they
like
don't dry
I
my
really
hair.
did cut them. Oh, almost fell. But yeah, I like. Oh,
Like
almost
they
fell.
don't hair, you know what I'm saying?
But
So
yeah, a lot of my clothes is
hair.
cut
Ooh, look at my shadow.
because I don't like wearing long stuff for some reason. Not like
I can use the shirts.
I'm not
actually.
saying that I don't mind
Hair
wearing
wraps like
long
that,
stuff,
but
but
I seen this girl at school. She had her sweater wrapped on top of her head.
I prefer
How did you do it? But we gonna leave that alone.
shorts,
And we gonna go over
not too
to our
tight.
rightful
Some
spot.
shorts make my legs
And,
look like sausages.
And yeah, you
I
know.
prefer shorts and if
Oh,
I
let me get off this
could,
thing.
crops, but
Ooh, why does mirror feel like it's like, yeah, like that? It's supposed to be like that. Okay, so I got my hair. It's like all nice and still freaking wet. We ain't gonna mind all of that. I'm gonna take it down. Honey, you need to cooperate. Okay. You can't tell me that ain't sexy right there. Oh, I look like that dude from off that movie. But this don't jive. Like, yeah. He's going. So, literally, my curly hair routine is not that much. It's literally me. Just do like this, right? Put conditioner all throughout my daggone hair. And this is not the OGX conditioner. This is actually the Win conditioner, right? So I put this all throughout my hair, like. Literally just put this in my hair like all over, and I especially put it on my ends, and then I wrap my hair up, of course, as you can see with the shirt, and I'm just gonna let it sit for like 15-20 minutes to die. But literally all I did was I combed out my hair, flipped my head upside down, and I just put some more of, I'm always getting stuff in my mouth. And then I just let it dry and do its thing.
Alright,
on its
so
own.
it's been like 15-20 minutes.
Just gonna let it dry. So
I spent my time watching
finish
Forever
watching
Kiara and Cage
what
the
I was
Degree.
watching, and then yeah.
But we're not gonna get into all
my
that.
hair
You know?
is not damaged.
So,
it's just that my
so
curls
now
is
what I
different.
do,
In different places.
Take this off.
Like my curls in the front are looser than the ones
Come on,
in the back.
cooperate once again.
So yeah, and then I just like put my hair how I want it to be. Okay, so I have decided I'm not going to sit here for the next hour and wait for my hair to dry. So, I mean, some of it is like dry now, but a lot of it is not. But I'm not going to sit here and wait for it to dry just for this little tiny 5 seconds of this video. 5, whatever, however many seconds it is. But, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. It's really not that much of a